Welcome back to our YouTube channel.
As you can see, she kicked me out of the last video. I don't know how to do box braids yet, but I'm still learning.
And as you guys can see, it's been
They look really good though, so
we're cute. So
I'm
anyways,
excited.
so I was like, today we could do a individual lash class.
Individual lash tutorial.
Yes.
So Ashton, I've never been good at putting on lashes, but Ashton has. So she's gonna be teaching me how to put on the individual lashes, and I'm going to be learning for the first time how to put them on.
I put these on and I literally have these in for like weeks and weeks and weeks at a time. I'm not sure if that's really good, but I have them
They
in.
stay on that long?
Like I just reapply. Like if they fall out, I put them hose right back in. You know what I mean? Yes, if you guys want to see how we put in false lashes, then stay tuned.
Stay tuned, honey.
These lashes are called the Knot Free Trio. Now, for beginners, this is the easiest thing to, it's by Kiss, the brand Kiss. You can get them at your local beauty supply store. I've worn these before, and I really like them.
They're only $5.99.
Yeah, they're only $5.99 at your local beauty supply store. So
Isn't that like how much are regular lashes?
regular lashes are $5. If you get really good ones, they're probably $8. They can go up to like $10 or $20 for lily lashes. And mine is called, let's see what mine is called. Mine is called the Ultra Black. Jalen's is called
The Trio Medium. But mine had the short, medium, and then I guess these are medium.
You are gonna need some lash glue, which kind of looks like this. It is $3.99, so this is really good. And I know people were using hair glue, but finally they made some black lash glue that's really good. So you're gonna need tweezers. So I have the Kiss ones that kind of are like the side ones.
Yeah, I'm just using regular small tweezers.
Which helps. Those are stronger, so use those. So I zoomed in.
How close are they on our face?
They're pretty close, but we're not like bad. It's cute. So I'm gonna take one lash. I'm gonna show you guys what I do. So normally, open. Oh, shh. So, what you're gonna do, I hope you can see this, and I'm gonna zoom in if you can't, but I'm gonna turn this way because honestly, and my leg's gonna be on you. I hope you're okay, but you need to see it anyways. So I'm gonna take my medium, like that. And so what I like to do is I like to start at the ends first. So put my hair up. So you're gonna be dipping on the side like that's on the top because you're gonna be sticking it in this way. And it's gonna be connecting like to your lashes. You know what I mean?
You gotta go in on your lash line?
So you're gonna put it on top, okay? Don't be putting it on this thing and be like, why isn't it sticking? You're gonna have a really bad time. Only dip a little bit. A little goes a long way. You watching, Jay?
Yeah. Ashton's really good at putting on lashes, y'all. I'm so jealous. I don't know how to do it. Oh yeah, the blow 2, 3.
You may need assistance.
Unless you have like a vanity. If you have a vanity, I'm sure you'll be fine.
And then you're gonna, so while it's in there, you see? Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna press up.
Oh.
And
Okay,
that's
I'm
all.
ready.
And that's
I'm
it.
ready.
It's so easy. All right, let's see Jalen do it. We'll do the short towards the end. If you're gonna do the end first, you need to get the long. Don't be blowing it off the thing now. Let it go. Push up. Push. 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 Wow! Like the knotless ones. They have some that don't have like the knot at the top. And so I really like these. Like it's kind of working for me.
So, this is my eye.
So let's do the left eye.
Woohoo!
So remember, start on towards your end. That's the easiest way to go. easy.
I'm moving along.
That looks good!
Although we've come to the end of the road, still I can't let go. I am natural. No, that's not the words. Remember Ali Mashaka and what's that girl's name?
They sung that song?
Remember that song, the breakup song? Is it? Running down my in the heartbreak. Yeah. Falling in love is such a great day. Falling in love, it's just my birthday. My freaking birthday. Remember when we thought they cussed? Yeah. I was like, they said a bad word. This is a potential breakup song.
Don't play with us. We have pipes.
I don't.
Y'all sign us.
That's what Drake said. When?
In his war song. That's how it started out. Word. Okay, guys, we have finished our final looks. What do you guys think?
So this is the finished product. So this
Yes.
is if you want more of a natural look, like every single day that you can wear. And then Ashton's, you can wear every single day too.
Yeah, they're just a little bit darker.
Just a little bit
Just a
more
little bit darker.
like flashy with a little growl and stuff to it.
Guys, this video was quick. It's straight to the point.
Straight to the point. So cool.
It's cute. It's very like individual lashes. The trio lash is actually really, really easy for anyone to put on. As you can see, Jalen's first time, like she's done.
Yeah. I
Like-
put the whole thing in by myself.
Yeah.
So excited. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you want to see more of your favorite duo. And thank you guys so much for watching.
Stay tuned for
Stay
everything.
tuned for everything. 'Cause
We have
a lot of
videos.
stuff coming. They're just going to be dropping.
Yes. Yes.
And you don't want to miss it, so.
Yes. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye.